Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the system, update GPU drivers now, and reboot if needed so the OS recognizes the new driver. Next, enable virtualization in BIOS, look for VTX or AMDV, enable it and reboot. Once done, install Bluestacks for or run the latest installer. Make sure to close competing emulators and heavy background apps. You do this because Bluestacks relies on both hardware acceleration and virtualization to pass GPU workloads into the emulator efficiently. You now configure Bluestacks to use the GPU. Open Settings, go to Engine, and choose GPU Rendering. Switch between OpenGL and Vulkan if one gives better stability. Then set CPU cores and RAM to match your app. Higher resolution increases GPU load, so balance visuals versus performance. Once set, go to Windows Graphics Settings, add Bluestacks and force high performance, selecting your dedicated NVIDIA or AMD GPU. You do this to ensure the emulator routes rendering to the discrete card rather than integrated graphics. You finish by restarting Bluestacks and launching a GPU-intensive app to verify changes. Monitor FPS and GPU temperature. If you see stuttering, switch between OpenGL and Vulkan, lower resolution, or reduce allocated CPU/RAM. Each change affects GPU load. Make sure drivers remain current and Windows Power Plan is set to performance. If Bluestacks still uses integrated graphics, check Windows Graphics Settings and the GPU control panel to force the dedicated GPU. That single check usually
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.